Welcome to JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Today we're installing a tire delete kit on the back of the JL. Join me. So I'm starting off with this Smitty-built heavy-duty tire carrier, which I'm getting rid of this section of it, but I'm going to be keeping the hinge section of it because I really like the blacked out look. This is the tire delete kit from Artec. I actually had to cut this in order for it to fit behind here. So that was a bit of a pain. Also, I'm going to have to run the wires through here for the rear camera and the third brake light. So let's do that now. I'm no longer going to go. No, I think we still will. We'll still go through here. So the absolute first thing you got to do before mounting the bracket is mount the camera, but the third brake light first. Mount this bracket onto the third brake light and then slip it into the camera bracket. Now the camera bracket, you can put the camera on upside down. There's two ways, well there's actually four ways to do it. Make sure that when you install it that the sticker part is facing the top, is facing the brake light. Otherwise, your video is going to be upside down. Now that we've got that installed, I'm going to loosen these bolts back off so I can get behind this. Now, one thing you got to remember too is that the wires have got to go through this slot. I installed it before doing that. I'll just peel this wire back off of here. Through this slot, let's line everything up. And that looks pretty good. Now I can rehook up this camera. And we'll just hide all this wiring back here. I'm not actually sure where the license plate goes.
Definitely.
Looks better, right? So that's what it looks like with the Smitty-built tire carrier extension piece on there still. I'm going to have to get a bracket for here for my CB antenna. Because that was part of the original tire carrier and now it's not. So definitely going to have to get that. This is cut a little bit crooked, so I'm going to have to find some way of covering that up. Plus it's open, so I want to seal that off. I'll probably put a piece of aluminum on there, black aluminum, and close it all in. But yeah, that is much cleaner looking and it's so much lighter for the Jeep, and I really like the way that looks. I wouldn't have had to cut it if I didn't have the Smitty-built tire carrier on there, but I didn't want to take that off because I really like the way that looks. I still have the red hinges from the original build, but yeah, I didn't want to put those back on. I like this. Here's a bit of an update. Originally I had these wires. This is for the camera and the rear third brake light going out, coming through here, going in and then up. Well, I decided to go through the vents so it goes through the back of the bracket and just cleans everything up really nice. Now originally I had a bracket over here for the antenna, so on yesterday's video you saw the cable coming out of here and just kind of hanging. Now I've got it coming out of here and bolted right to this side of the bracket, so that really cleans that up really nice. And then of course I've got that going through this vent here. So I'm just going to seal it up and it's done. That's it for another episode here at JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Appreciate you joining me and checking out the install on the spare tire delete kit from Artec. Anybody out there looking, it was a really easy install. The most hardest part was cutting it because of the Smitty-built tire carrier, which I wanted to keep that part on there because I think it really looks good on there. Anyways, thank you for joining me. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. And until next time, guys, keep the rubber side down. We'll see you again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.